Hello friends, this is Ravali from RR Collections. Today in this video I am going to show you some of my hand stock collections that is ranging from 1500 to 4000. This is the first saree in my collection. It's bottle green color raw silk saree. It's pure raw silk with a pink border, and on the top of the border you can see pink color temples here, and all these lines are weaving. It's not print, it's weaving. And this is the kanta stitch you can see here. Let me show you clearly. This is the kanta stitch, and this is the border. The border is silver in color. See, the saree looks like this. This is the pallu of the saree. This is pallu, and this is the blouse. If you want to look at the saree through video call, you can call me. I'll be showing you. The second saree in our collection is a parrot green Paithani saree. This is also a pure raw silk saree with a big Paithani border. And on the border you can see Meena work here, and on the upper side also there is a Paithani border which is little smaller in size, and all over the saree you can see these bouquet motifs with the colors which are available in the border. The same colors are given Meena work on the bouquet. Here goes the pallu of the saree. This is the pallu of the saree. In the bottom side you can see this, and its blouse pieces. This is the blouse piece, a contrast blouse piece, blue color with a small silver border. The third saree in our collection is again a raw silk, Banarasi raw silk saree. See this? It's Banarasi raw silk saree with parrot digital print. All over you'll have the digital print for this. And apart from the digital print, you can also see small flower motifs with antique zari. You can see here this one and this one here, and coming to the border, it's again with antique zari on orange color There will be a orange color border with antique zari, and the pallu is again orange color contrast pallu with all over antique zari brocade weaving, and the blouse is plain orange color. Mangalagiri Pattu. So this Mangalagiri Pattu saree with silver checks and silver border. A contrast green color blouse can be seen. A contrast green color blouse with silver stripes and contrast pallu with green linings. The next one is also a Mangalagiri Pattu saree with big kanchi border, and this is the pallu of the saree, and you don't get blouse for this saree. This is a plain Mangalagiri saree with silver border. This is the contrast pallu, and the blouse will also be contrast. See, this is the blouse and this is the pallu. This is a chinia saree, peach in color with again antique kanchi border, and you can see lotus motifs all over the saree. And the pallu and blouse for this saree are again brocade. There's a brocade pallu and the same blouse. Here comes another beautiful saree, orange in color, orange and green, evergreen combination. This is the orange and green tissue saree with green color border. On border you can see motifs, one motifs and a little Banarasi border, and you can see all over mango motifs. These are the mango motifs. I hope you can see it properly. If you are unable to look at the saree clearly, give me a WhatsApp call. I'll show you. And this is the pallu of the saree. Again a brocade antique pallu, and this is the brocade antique blouse. This is a jute georgette saree which is sea green in color with an orange border and all over silver weaving. This is apt for those who are little chubby like me. This is the pallu of the saree, and you will get the same orange color plain blouse. Here is a designer saree, white with off-white saree with all over chicken work. The whole saree will be having a chicken work, and there will be an orange color mirror work border with golden lace on the two sides of the border. This is the saree with all over chicken work, and this is the blouse of the saree with mirror work all over. That's all for today. I hope you like my collection. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, do subscribe to my channel and share it among your friends. And don't forget to tap on the bell icon.